As an artist, I think it's important to show the good and the bad. And in this video, there is a lot of good, but there is some bad in the process. And sometimes when life gives you lemons, you just have to learn to make lemonade. If we haven't met, this is Garrett Brown Art Studio. I'm back with another video just for you, and I hope you enjoy it. I am so thrilled about today's colors. They are all custom mixed. This was unbleached titanium white with a little bit of brown and yellow to get this color. This right here is mostly Canadian yellow by Dick Blick with a little bit of bronze added to it. All right, so today black is going to be my swipe color for some good contrast, and I'm also going to add silicone to both of these colors. One nice size drop into the yellow and 2 drops into the black. And we're going to kick things off with our white. Air bubbles. Add our black up top. Ladies and gentlemen, we are ready to swipe. This is our little nifty paper towel here. You want to have it pretty dry, but completely wet. Alright, we have a little reaction going on here. Not completely happy with my swipe right here. Alright. Got some of that paint to come off the sides. And we're going to tilt. Check out these cells as they are developing. Really liking the color so far. I think I should have added a little bit of red in there. So it's kind of busy. The cells are doing their thing, and what I'm going to do is spin, and I hope that we get these cells to expand out this way to eat up some of that negative space.
And while we're checking this out, please visit my new website at www.garrickbrownartstudio.com. If you see something you like, go ahead and purchase that thing.
All right, as you can see, our cells have spread some, and we're going to go the other way. All right, ladies and gentlemen, check this out. I know it's super busy. Ladies and gentlemen, take a look at this. That is crazy. Those effects are just blowing my mind with this bronzy brown and then the tan, and it's just, whoo, it's the colors for me. Then, of course, we have our oranges and the little bit of red that we added in there. Not sure if I like that red now. And then yellow at the bottom. Now, as much as I enjoy cells, this is cell overload for me. All right, friends, we have an issue. So, as I was pouring these colors, I realized that my canvas is sagging in the middle and it's too late to do anything about it. So I'm going to switch my swipe tool up to something that I can apply more pressure. I am expecting to have a problem here with the swipe. The paper towel is too light, so if it's sagging in the middle, it's not going to collect that paint. So we're going to try and use our big swipe tool and see if we can save it. Yep, exactly what I thought was going to happen happened. Ooh, let me find out we're gonna save the day. My swipe tool is slightly too small to cover this whole area. All right, let's see if we can make this happen. I ain't mad. Come on now. Now I think I just took off all that little magenta color that I just added, but hey, I'll take a win here. Okay, so we want less cells this time. We're gonna go ahead and move some of this paint around. We got some cells popping up slowly but surely. All right, as you can see, our cells are growing up a little bit. They went from being babies to teenagers. I like this. It's kind of like a galaxy look. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's spin once again. All right, folks. Y'all, check out this one cell. It has 4 colors in it. That is so cool. Look at those. Okay, folks, I like this orientation the best. And I've decided to take our marble and let's add some embellishments here.
Remember, family, do everything with love. Treat your friends, your family, and even your enemies with love. Thanks for watching. Peace.